Hi, hope you are doing great. So quickly let me show you guys how to handle fishes. For some of us that are still scared to handle fishes, I've seen so many farmers that they can't even touch catfish, and you are selling catfish. So let me show you guys how to handle them in case you want to transfer them from one boat to another. Maybe your sales is ongoing, you want to transfer them one by one, you want to count them, you want to sort them. So this is how to handle them. So come closer, let me show you how to. So it does rub its head. If you have the time, you can rub its head and take hold of the head. Once you can take hold of their head, that's all. Once you can take hold of their head, make sure you are holding it firmly. Once you can take hold of their head is their power engine. As you can see, their head is their power engine. Let's take another one again. Make sure its head is calmed down. Just take hold of the head. That's all. Once you can take hold of their head is their power engine. Once you can take hold of their head, causing them. Let's try that one again. Let's try this one. So as you can see, so simple as that. So see, let's take hold of another one again. As you can see. So that's all. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.